I've been in the asphalt business since 1993. I was highly involved in Easy Street back in the early 2000s down in South Florida. I've never had a customer complain about the use or application of Easy Street. We sold 75 tons out of here today. We sell Easy Street to many municipal water districts and highway departments and to people who fix potholes in parking lots. Compared to other cold mixed products, Easy Street performs at a higher level. Easy Street has no restrictions. You can utilize Easy Street in a wet pothole, still cannot produce Easy Street unless it's above freezing. But other than that, you produce asphalt, it can be laid in any weather. Matter of fact, the raw aggregate sitting in the stockpile will freeze. I've never seen Easy Street frozen to where we couldn't dig it out and load that truck. It can also be hauled long distances with no impact on it. So where a hot mix is limited in how far you can haul it to then have a good hot temperature to lay it, the Easy Street has no restrictions there. It's a great product. It has been for going on 20 years now.